Hi everyone, this is Alessandra with Sutra Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Sutra styling wand. Love this thing, it's amazing. As you can see, we have 4 different heat settings. Right now I'm going to be on 450 because my hair is pretty thick. And I'm going to show you how to use this tool. Alright, so as you can see, my hair is half up, half down today. I straightened it earlier today with the Sutra Vapor Infused Flat Iron, and now I'm going to be doing some curls on my hair. So I'm sectioning about 1 inch of hair, and then you're going to stick the hair in, pull up, and twist down. Look at that, girl. So what I love about this tool is that you get flat iron curls without having to mess with the flat iron. And I love how each side is completely covered, so there's no chance of burning yourself, which I have done multiple times, unfortunately. This tool has tourmaline plates, so it makes your hair nice and silky and soft. This tool has an extremely innovative design. It has floating plates and an extended cool tip, which makes everything just super easy. You want to make sure that you are holding the ends of your hair taut while you're pulling down. The longer the pass, the tighter the curl. The hair, as you can see, is nice and shiny and smooth because of those tourmaline plates. And you're getting these insane curls, guys. If you want a really, really dramatic curl, this is the tool for you. Look at that. Everyone, so this is the finished look that I accomplished with the Sutra styling wand. This thing is amazing, so easy and fast. I absolutely love the shine it gives my hair and the amazing curls. They're effortless and beautiful. For more information, go to sutrabeauty.com.